I did not realize how much I missed doing these until I opened this and smelled it. Hello lovelies, it is time for another Witch's Moon unboxing. So, disclaimer and apologies, this is lit. It is also out of order. For anyone who doesn't know, I do have an updates video that you can check. I will leave the link down in the description below, but long story short, drama, broken hard drive, everything went wrong, lost a bunch of recordings, don't know if we'll get them back. Didn't want to do this unboxing until I could put up the one that is lost on the hard drive, but now I don't know if I'll ever get it back, so we're just plowing on, and if I ever get it back, they'll just be out of order. So, I'm not actually sure which box this is. I'm very lost. I can't remember if there was one or two of these unboxings on that hard drive, but everything's a mess. But we're gonna go and we're gonna do it anyway, because I can't just not do this just because of something unlucky that happened. So it's lit, whatever, we'll do what we can. Oh, I've missed this all so much! So this is the, oh gosh, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, I'm sorry. So, Evolk. And we got this lovely piece of art here for that. It is just so pretty. I'm not gonna read out the whole thing because there is a lot on there, but it is gorgeous. The artwork on this really reminds me of my old school. I went to a Steiner school, or a Waldorf school as they're sometimes known, and this just really reminds me of that. A lot of stuff in these boxes tends to, actually. And yeah, this is just so nice. Next up we have what looks like another little art print. I'm not actually sure. It's something, oh, it's for the supermoon. Oh yeah, because we had one of those this year, didn't we? Don't know if you just heard that, but that was the screen falling off my camera despite me trying to duct tape it back together. Okay, so this is the, I'll just hold this way so you can see more of it, the supermoon print. It is so pretty, very just like detailed and just, oh, I don't know, it's just really lovely. Ooh, we have a nice little sigil here, and we'll find out exactly what that's for whenever I read out the information pamphlet at the end of the video, because I don't like to spoil my surprises. And I believe this is a personalized tarot reading or something of the sort, and this is what it looks like, and it says, do not lose sight of your original intention. Check inside your heart to see if the path you're traveling fits in with your original hopes and aspirations. If not, take action, take control, and steer your life back on course. Oh gosh, that's making me a bit emotional because it's just so very relevant right now. So we have our little informational thing here. I'm just going to set it to the side until we need it. And oh, look how pretty! I don't know how well this will show, but this is like gold. It's like gold paper, and it's so nice. It's very metallic. Oh, I've missed the smell of these boxes so much. I'm just very emotional about all of this. I've really, the whole hard drive breaking thing just like threw everything out of balance, and like getting back to doing this is now weirdly nostalgic. I can't be coping. Okay, so first off we have something beginning with an H that I can't read. Yes. And this is what it looks like. I'll find out exactly what that is at the end of the video. It smells familiar. I'm trying to think of like, because it looks familiar and it smells familiar, I just can't get in my head what it could be. And I'm sure I'm gonna read the thing and be like, yes, of course. Ooh. Next up we have like quite a large brown paper package, and I'm gonna resist singing. I don't think you can see him, but the cat is sitting right next to me just staring at me, and I'm like, can I help you? Oh, pretty! Oh! Oh my god, this is so nice! Oh, Witch's Moon, always just like on point with their stuff. Look how beautiful this is, like all the detail, like all the coins at her feet, and like she's blindfolded. I don't know who this is yet, we'll find out, but everything about this is just stunning. Like her crown looks like a little castle to me. I don't know if it's supposed to, but that's how it appears. I'm just, everything about this is just fantastic. I love this. We have our incense. This is one of those ones that smells like Fancy Man. I don't know what it is, but it smells like Fancy Man. We have our spell candle, and this is a, ooh, Fortune's Flame candle. God, I could use some of that. Oh, I love the beeswax smell. Again, very nostalgic of my old school. and it is like green with gold glitter, which is very appropriate, I think. We have more herbs. We have some bay leaves by the looks of it. Some white sage. Ooh! There are two nice little like gold pouches, like two different shades, but they're both like gold satin pouches. Oh, pretty! So this is a like little piece of wood with something burnt into it. Again, I'll find out exactly what this symbol is whenever we check at the end. Like I said, I just like sort of discovering everything and then like, you know, being surprised, and then I can actually learn what it is at the end. That's just the way I like to do these videos personally. But yeah, that is very nice. Hello? 45 minutes later and I am back. Goodness gracious. Okay. So I just realized as I sat down there's actually something else in the same bag that the little wooden guy came in. Ooh, and it's a crystal. I don't know what this is. I would guess like maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna say citrine just because of the yellow, but I could be way off. But it is like clear at the bottom with like a yellow point, and it is very pretty, whatever it is. I need to sort out my nails, I know, I'm sorry. But a very pretty crystal. And then in the other little gold bag, what have we got? Oh, it's like another rock of some sort. Oh, it's shiny. Oh, it's pretty. So, oh, like it's all like sort of gold looking and really heavy, which is cool. I'm assuming it's not gold, but it's like really pretty and like heavy and nice. We got our salts. You know I love my salts. And they have a little symbol on here. Here's a little symbol. And let's have a peek. Oh, those smell really, really good. Is there like cinnamon? I'm calling cinnamon. I think cinnamon. If not, it's like some other sort of like delicious spicy smell. Oh, it smells like... Still got most of them. It smells like a tiny bit like chai lattes. Which again, so could be cinnamon, but I don't... Oh, it just smells good. The last thing is our oil, I assume is what's in here. And this is, ooh, Fortuna oil. And what's in here? Oh, there's some glitter in there. It looks like maybe some bay leaves. And I'm not sure what else. Oh. That smells like, I want to say like almond or something. I'm gonna guess maybe something with almond. And then it does have like a very green leafy smell. The smell of this actually reminds me a lot of like a slightly more toned down version of some of my Black Phoenix Alchemy Labs perfumes, which I appreciate. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I wonder if it is almond, because it's like, it's that smell to me that always, for some reason it reminds me of cherries, and I don't know why, because it's not a cherry smell and it always turns out to be almond. And it reminds me of marzipan for whatever reason. So yeah, that's what that smells like to me, like that mixed with like fresh leaf. Hey, so let's see what everything is. So this is the Fortune and Prosperity box. Very, very good. That's what I need in my life right now. So the things we have are the Fortuna Statue, and it's in cold cast bronze, and she's a goddess, and she resonates deeply with us and has been a beautiful representation on many altars. Also known as Lady Luck and she who brings. Fortuna is the spirit of opportunity, fortune, fertility, and abundance. Personifies good fortune. Also rules oracles, fate, and chance, and has been known to protect married couples. Depicts her holding the horn of plenty, representing bountiful wealth and abundance. She stands blindfolded, which has deep meaning to us. There have been different suggestions about what the blindfold means, but for us it represents opening the eyes, facing inwards. Okay, and there's some more information on that. The Fortuna sigil. Oh, and the sigil is to put the statue on. Oh, that's cool. Or you can stand it up on your altar. Oh, the crystal was citrine, and the thing that it's with is called a wealth gilch, I think. We've hand burned an offering coin out of juniper tree's slice for you to keep near Fortuna or carry with you to attract fortune and prosperity. The burn symbol is the Nordic rune gilch. This, I hope I'm saying that right. This rune was said to attract wealth and prosperity to the bearer. We've also included a piece of citrine as an offering to Fortuna. Citrine is a wonderful stone for manifestation and enhancing personal will. Fortune's flame spell candle with spell. and it's been enchanted with clove and basil essential oils. And they've also included a special mixture of our money draw magical oil from the personal cabinet of Witchery. Lovely. Fortuna magical oil, created with the intention of drawing in good luck and prosperity. We've enchanted this magical oil with almond, clove and basil. That must be the leafy smell I'm getting. And then also from the bay leaves, we've included a bay leaf as well. Okay, cool. Money draw sacred salt. As you sink into beautiful aromas of the sacred salt, visualize golden light consuming your aura and expanding around you. Clove and vanilla. So yeah, okay, so something spicy then. It wasn't cinnamon, but it's clove and vanilla, which is probably why it smells like chai lattes to me. As well as holly gold herb. Ooh, that might have been what that other thing was. Holly gold, okay. Pyrite crystal, that's what that little heavy guy was. Can enhance any ritual that you intend to increase manifestations through intention. And pyrite comes from the Greek word fire. Apparently if you strike two pieces together you can produce sparks. Cool. There's some white sage, and as everyone knows that's good in general for many witches. Holly gold, used in main protection and psychic development spells. Bay leaf, one of their favourite herbs for working with prosperity spells and creating wisdom brews. Prosperity incense, personalised oracle reading, parchment paper, which is always in the back here, Luna Suprema artwork, and Embolic Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, so that is everything. Hopefully I got it all. I really enjoyed that. I'm so glad that I got to get sort of back to doing this. I've missed doing this. I am really quite very upset that I've been away from being able to do these for so long, and it's just, like I said, it's nostalgic to me right now, and I'm just so happy, and just the pretty box, and it smells so good, and it's what I needed today, I think. So thank you so much for watching. Links will be down below. Again, I'm sorry about the timing and things being out of order. I know it's late. I'm sorry. I'm doing what I can to sort of move past the hard drive drama, but you know, it's gonna be chaotic for a while, but we'll get there. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Patreon to support this channel because it helps me so very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.